And how about the black hat? You want to put the black hat in the book? Here, here, put the black hat, Ollie. Where's the circle go? Where does the circle go? Good boy. Push. Oops. Hat. That's right, that's a hat. What is that, Ollie?
Circle.
Where does the circle go? Good. What is this?
Hat.
Yes, and where does the hat go? That's right. Hat. Okay, let's go. What's this?
Circle.
What's this?
Chicken.
Turtle. Go ahead and where does the turtle go? What's that?
Chicken.
That's a duck. What is that? What goes there?
Chicken.
Turtle. Yeah. Push. Good boy. Do you want to see where the duck goes?
Circle.
You want to go back to the circle? Okay. Here's a circle. I'm going to put the circle. Where does the circle go? Good boy. What goes here?
Hat.
Good. Let's put the hat on the man. Good job. Hat. What about this? What's this? Is this a duck?
What is that? What is that, Ollie?
Circle.
Circle.
Oh.
Oh, does a circle go in the hat hole?
Hat.
What is that?
Hat.
What is that? What is this?
Good job. How about... Oh, what's this, Ollie? What's this?
Fish.
Yeah, where does
Fish.
the fish go? Put the fish in there. Go like this. Boop, push. Yeah. What's that?
How old is Ollie now?
Ollie's 18 months old.
He knows a lot of
So
stuff, doesn't
smart. Are you looking for where the duck goes? Let me see if I can help you. Oh,
Circle.
what about
Circle,
that? Hey, is that a duck?
he? What's the duck say?
Turn it, quack. Turn it over. Turn it over like this, and then push. Good boy. Pull. Pull. Yeah, there you go. Pull and push.
Can you say pull? Can you say push? Is that a little duck?
Turn it around. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, look. Duck. Duck. And then duck. Ready? Push. 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 Oh, push. There.
Does it? Oh, does it,
There.
it's because the thing is in the way.
Yeah.
Circle.
Is it
You want
supposed
to go
to be in
back
the
to
way like
circle?
that?
Kinda.
It's kind of weird.
Here, find the circle. Find the circle. Turn the page. Turn the page. Ah, there's a circle page.
Circle and a hat.
Yeah, push. There.
Circle.
Okay, put the
Circle.
circle away. Or, yeah, goes in there. Perfect. Perfect. What does that do, Ollie? Is that a bird? What does a bird say? More over here? Okay, let's take them all out.
Circle. Circle.
Okay.
Circle.
Where did the circle go? There's a circle.
Fishes.
Fishes? Here. Fish. Fish. Turn it around. Turn it around. Circle, you silly boy.
Give mommy a kiss. Kiss mom.
Circle.
Yeah, can you kiss mommy?
Circle.
Where's the circle? And what's this?
Turtle.
Turtle.
What's this?
Hat.
What's this?
Do it again.
Hat.
What's this?
Fish.
Yes. What's this? Tweet, 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 tweet. Is that a birdie?
Huh?
Birdie? Tweet, 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 tweet. What's this, Ollie? Oh, what's this?
Huh?
What's that? Is that a button?
Hmm?
What is that?
Hmm?
Button.